Hello and welcome back again in CAD with Kamal. This is part modeling exercise 20, and in this tutorial we will learn that how we can design this mechanical mounting bracket in SolidWorks with this 2D drawing. If you are learning SolidWorks, then this tutorial is going to be helpful for you. If you not subscribe our channel yet, then please subscribe to our channel and support us. So let's start today exercise. I'll cut this here. For the part modeling, we have to select this new option, select part and OK. I set my screen background in plain white mode and unit measurement in millimeter. Let's see the drawing of a model. So this is top view, front view, side view, and I'll cut a section view to see this circle group clearly and dimension also. So start with here. This is top view, 120 by 70 of this plate dimension. And there is a 4 hole also. The counter bore hole dia is 10. This is through hole, and counter dia is 18, and counter depth is 6 millimeter. And there is a cutout also. You can see from the top view. From this face, this cutout distance is 30 millimeter. And if you can see with the side view, from this face to this face, height is 8 millimeter. And if you want to see the width of this, you can see here 45. There's a 4 corner are radius. See, it is R12, and you can see in top side view the thickness of this body 25, and this center to this face height is 55. This whole dia is 16. This one is R35 body. This is R20 dia 40, and you can see in this broken out section the clearly this counter bore hole. There's a 2 circle groups also, which have 8 mm space from this face, and mid dimension is distance is 50 mm after 2 mm group. So let's do this in SolidWorks. So I select right plane here, sketch. I select circle and draw 2 circle, dia 40, dia 70. Select midpoint line, OK. It is 16 mm. This is 120. Use trim, power trim, and trim this and this. This line and this line is equal, and this vertex point with the origin relation is horizontal. So our sketch is fully defined. Let's exit here. Use Extrude Bose base feature. I change the direction here. Blind option. We need it is up to 70 mm. OK. Now we cut this body. So select this face, sketch. I select this edge, make it convert entity, select line, and draw a horizontal line. Trim, power trim. OK. Height of this from this bottom face is 27. OK. Extrude cut feature we use here. How much we need? Up to 30 mm. See in the drawing. OK. Let's use fillet. It is R12, and select the 4 edges of the corner. OK. Now we draw this body. We can draw this body with 2 methods. We can start with this face, or we can make this face also. So let's select this face and make it. So I select right plane, sketch, I draw circle, 2 circle I draw here, it is R15 and dia 16. Okay, so this is R15, which means dia 30 and dia 16. Okay, I select this edge, convert entity, select line and start with this vertex point, make two vertical line, use trim, power trim. I trim this, trim this. This center point and this vertex point relation vertical. This whole center from this face height is 55. So let's assign dimension. It is 55. Sketch is fully defined. Exit. Extrude Bose base feature. Now reverse direction. We select from face first. Offset. It is 70 and this body is 25. So let's see, 70 minus 25, 45. Okay, you can use another feature also here, up to surface, or select the surface. Okay, always remember, when you make this, merge result is checked. If you this is unchecked, it makes two body here. See, one this one. So when you make merge result check, it is only one body. Now we apply hole, counter bore hole. Let's see, hole wizard, select counter bore, slotted cheese head, I standard ISO M10. I customize this 10 mm, 18 and 6. Hole end condition through hole, position 3D. I change the orientation top view. Just hold your cursor on this edge and you get your center point for hole and click. Okay. Now we draw this circular groove which have dia 20 internal. So select this face, sketch, circle and draw circle dia 20. Okay, the center point and origin point relation is horizontal, and with this also we make relation vertical. Exit. Extrude cut we use here, blind only 3 mm. Thin feature we use here 3 because it is 20 and 26. See, now we make this circlip groove. So we select this face, or we can select also the top plane. Select top plane, change the orientation, draw center line, select corner rectangle, give dimension, it is 2 by 2, and from this edge distance is 8 millimeter. Exit. use revolve cut. 360, if you keep 180, then it is also okay. See, now we need to create this here also. So we mirror it, we go to take a reference plane, select this face, and this face we got our mid plane. We go to mirror, face plane, we select this, and feature, we select cut revolve. Okay, we had this is plane. Let's appearance for color. Okay, so here is our 3D model is complete. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question or doubt, you can write in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please, if you like this video tutorial, share with your friends also. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you in next tutorials. Thank you so much.